Hi friends, we will be seeing Unit 3 in the second half of Unit 3. So in the second half, we will be seeing about the model analysis and what is the meaning of this model analysis and similitude. In the previous session, you might have learnt the dimensional analysis, but now we are going to see about model analysis. So in the dimensional analysis, what we do is we will be substituting the dimensions of the parameters and we will get the solution. But whereas in the model analysis, we will be finding out some of the important laws and also some of the dimensionless numbers. So before going to that, the word model, this is not the familiar term. So we need to know what is this model. Similitude and the model analysis. Similitude, it is a concept used in testing of engineering models. Okay, similitude, it is nothing but a concept used for testing engineering models. The major disadvantage of this similitude is theoretical solution of hydraulic phenomena. It is very impossible to obtain a theoretical solution. Therefore, only the experimental analysis or experimental investigations are performed on small scale models, which is called to be model analysis. Some of the examples are given here. Models may be used are ships in towing basins, airplanes in wind tunnel, hydraulic turbines, centrifugal pumps, spillways of dams, and etc. used to study the phenomenon of the action of waves and tides on beaches, soil erosion and transportation of sediment, etc. So these are the examples where we can able to create a model or where we can able to do an experimental investigation, or we can able to create a small scale model and perform the experimental investigation or study over it, and such a kind of method is called to be by model analysis. What is a model? It is nothing but a small scale replica of the actual structure. It is nothing but the small scale replica of the actual structure. And what is a prototype? It is nothing but the actual structure or a machine. So here they have given the two important differences between prototype and model. In case you see, the structure is being the same, but the dimensions differs, and you need to know that it is not necessary that model should be smaller and the prototype should be larger. It is based on the applications, the dimensions shall vary, but make sure that you are very clear with these two terms. Model, it is nothing but small scale replica of actual structure. Prototype is the actual structure. Model is a replica and the prototype is the actual structure. Model analysis, as we have told already, that it is nothing but the experimental method of finding solutions of the complex flow problems. Some of the advantages of model analysis are: using dimension analysis, a relationship between the variables influencing a flow problem is obtained. And the second is the performance of hydraulic structure can be predicted in advance from its model. Performance of hydraulic structures can be predicted. The merits of alternative design can be predicted with the help of model analysis. The merits of alternative design. So in case if you want to go for the alternative design, only if we do this model analysis, only we can able to find out whether the particular design that we do is very economical, or whether the design is safe, or whether the design looks good based on the aesthetics. And also we have to know that the test performed on models can be utilized for obtaining in advance useful information about the performance of the prototype only if a complete similarity exists between model and the prototype. Yes, some of the examples again. Performance of machine can be easily predicted in advance with the help of dimension analysis. The relationship between variables influencing problem in terms of dimensional parameters obtained. The most economical and safe design, it will be obtained only in this model analysis. We will see what is the similarities and what are some of the dimensionless numbers in the next few lecture series. Thank you.